What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while, but I recently picked up a 3rd gen Prius. It only came with one key, so today I'm going to be trying to reprogram, or not reprogram, but program a new key to this Prius so I can at least have a backup. It's always sketchy only having one key that works for your vehicle. But anyways, I've been reading up on this process. I have not done this before, so it'll be a learning experience. Hopefully I get it right the first time, and I'll take you guys along for the procedure, and hopefully you learn something. Oh, here's what we're working with. I have my original key that came with the vehicle. Works well. It has a laser cut key inside. Here is the brand new key that has never been programmed to a vehicle. I got this off of eBay for about $160. Here is the USB to OBD2 cable for a Toyota. Got this off of Amazon for about $35. It comes with it'll come with either a disc for the TechStream software, or it'll provide a link for you to download the software for a not so official copy of TechStream. It's what the software that the dealerships use for programming all sorts of Toyotas. Got the laptop here, TechStream installed on it. This is pretty much the only thing I have on this laptop. It was an old crappy laptop. The battery really sucks on it, so it has to be plugged in all the time, but hopefully it'll work, and let's get to it. Okay, so you'll want to open up TechStream. For whatever reason, it's kind of slow. So while it's opening up, let's go take a look at the procedure I'll be following. This is off of Prius chat, and you can pause and read that, or you can actually go search for it on Prius chat. But it's a fairly simple procedure. You just kind of go into TechStream and go into the smart key portion of it, utility button, smart key registration, and just follow the prompts. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So this is TechStream. This is what it looks like when you open it up. You want to hit the power button 2 times to turn the vehicle on, like in accessory mode, but not engine on. So two times. Key's not detected. Here we go. Cool. So it's on. Turn the fan off, and then you'll hit connect to vehicle, and then it'll do its thing. It'll pull up your VIN and connect, and we'll go from there. Alright, so once it connects, you'll want to go to, well, these are all the ECUs, or whatever, that you can access in the vehicle. Let's see, smart key. Smart key's right here, but you can also go to body electrical, and you can find smart key right here as well. So we'll go into smart key, and then you hit the green arrow down there. Working on it. You'll come to this. This is where your any diagnostic codes you have, like check engine light codes or whatever, for the smart key system will pop up here, but we don't have any. So I'll go to utilities, or utility, and just like in that write-up we saw, let's see, the utility and then the smart key, or the smart code registration. So smart code registration, green arrow again. Alright, so you can read up on that. I actually have my phone in the car, so I'm going to pause for a moment, take that out. Alright, so you check all the boxes that you agree. Go down to next. And it looks like there are just the original 2 keys that came with the vehicle registered to this vehicle. And there's room for 5 more keys. New keys, yep. If new spaces are 0, new keys cannot be registered. I think at that point you have to erase all registered keys, and that's a whole nother process. But anyways, that's cool with me. So next. Alright, so I have a registered key in my hand. We'll hit next. Alright, so the start button was grayed out until you hit this pre-start check, and it'll explain what you need to do. Hold the registered key to the power switch, and it'll buzz. Remove the registered key from the vehicle, and then place the key to be registered in the vehicle, and hold the key to be registered against the power switch, and then place the key to be registered on the passenger seat to complete registration. And then it says it's pretty much done when the complete screen is displayed. Alright, cool. So, start. That's the beep for the registered key. Put the registered key out of the vehicle. Touch it with the new key. And then place key on the passenger seat. What's on the passenger seat? It says failure. Okay, so I've tried the Smart Code Registration and the Smart Code Registration Classic. Classic is pretty much just the same thing as the regular Smart Code Registration, but it's a little less illustrated in what you have to do. Both of them failed. What I'm thinking is perhaps I have the wrong key fob. What I was reading is there are certain key fobs that'll work with other Toyotas and not Priuses. Specifically, I read up on this one thread on Prius chat where this guy was trying to use the Lexus credit card smart key and register it to his Prius, but it didn't work, and he was having a lot of the same symptoms I was, where it just wouldn't work on the registration. It would fail at the passenger seat portion, and it would also cause his regular key to act all weird when he was trying to start the vehicle. And what he was talking about is this right here. So turn it off, and then so I have both keys in my hand, and I'll hit the power button twice to try and turn the vehicle to accessory mode, and it'll say key not detected, which is weird because it's right here in my hand. So key not detected. But take the unregistered key, put it outside, and now it turns on just fine. And even putting it on the passenger seat turns on just fine. So I'm thinking that's what my issue is here. So I'm gonna have to get in contact with that eBay seller and see if I can get a refund or something. But anyways, I mean, that's pretty much 90% of how to register a key. I just didn't get that last 10%. So that's about it for this video. Sorry I couldn't take you all the way through on registering a smart key to your 3rd gen Prius, but like I said, it's about 90% of the way there. The last step, just placing it on the passenger seat, pretty much self-explanatory. The text stream walks you through it, and it'll say completion if it's successfully registered to the vehicle. But what I'm guessing is, you know, like I said, this key just doesn't work with my 3rd gen Prius. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and try and get another key fob to you know, have a backup to this vehicle. Having just one key is kind of sketchy. So I'll be back with another video of a successful key registration. But for now, hopefully this video will help you. And you know, if you're running into the same problems I have, perhaps this will, you know, give you some insight as to what's actually going on. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.